Tell me, you have an enzyme substrate complex model here built?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to describe it to me real quick?
Okay, so like the enzymes, these are the lockets, like the lock and the key.
Lock and the key model. Okay, I like that you're using that terminology.
And so they lock together, like.
What is they? What locks together?
And the enzymes and the substrates.
Okay, the substrates are right here. Okay, good.
Yeah, two different.
Okay.
And so and in the middle when they connect, it's the activation site.
Okay, the activation site. Okay, I see your we call it the active site, not necessarily activation site. But go ahead, that's fine.
The active site.
Okay.
So each substrate is differently, so it doesn't connect or stick together with any enzyme. So it has to be
other than
specific.
which one? Oh, it has to be specific. Okay, go ahead.
Okay. And
So what's the product? What's the final product?
the final product.
Yeah, what's the final product? I saw that you had your reactants here, and they bonded at the active site on the enzyme. But what's the product? Are we going to need to do some research and figure out the rest of it?
I think so.
Okay. So you got the reactants. Each individual one of these was your reactants, right? So it started out, let's say, per se, like this. And then like this. And then they bond at the active site on the enzyme. I can tell you did this part already, so I'm just going to repeat it. So are we creating a bond or are we breaking a bond right here?
Oh, right now you're creating one.
Okay, so it was separated, but
now it's created. It's one final piece.
Okay, so your product is going to be, you say one final piece?
Yes, one whole united.
Okay. So take it off and show me what the product would look like.
This is what the three of them are separated.
And
then when they reunite, it's one final.
And then, okay, so the enzyme has done its job by bonding these two. What happens to the enzyme after these two get bonded? You created your product.
They become another one.
Okay, so this is the product. So now what happens to the enzyme?
It stays the same.
It goes back to its original shape, right?
Yes.
Well, it goes back to its original state. That's what you mean by stays the same, right?
Yes.
All right. So it's ready for what?
To do another step. Another.
What's going on here? It's an R word. I'll give you a clue there. It's an R word. What?
Reunite.
Okay. What is the whole thing called? You said another step, another process. It's a what? Help me out.
I'm forgetting. Reaction.
And the reaction. Okay. All right. Good. So can you explain this to me as well? I see you're building a model over there. You're not ready yet? No, you got an enzyme substrate complex built, but you don't have your labels. I want you to go ahead and put your labels on there, and I want you to be able to tell me what you've done. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and sign off over here.
I get nervous talking.
See, there's your reaction right there. Okay, and then we're going to...
The enzyme is the one that is...
Okay, all right, so now... what happens at the beginning of the reaction?
At the end of the period.
What do we have at the beginning of the reaction?
We have just a simple enzyme and
okay.
then a substrate. But then it has a specific size. So they have to find the enzyme that matches.
Okay, show me the active site once again. I don't think we went through the active site.
It's in the middle right here.
Oh, good. All right, good. So that's where the substrates bond with the enzyme.
Bond together, all three of the substrates and the enzyme bond together. So that's the active site when the most activity happens.
Okay, thank you.